Hello and welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Methane Alert and Response System, MARS, M-A-R-S. Now let us see why is it in news. Recently, the Methane Alert and Response System, MARS, was launched at the 27th Conference of Parties, which is COP27, to the UNFCCC. Now let us see what is Methane Alert and Response System, MARS. The MARS initiative is intended to strengthen the efforts to cut methane emissions. It is set up as part of the UNEP's International Methane Emissions Observatory, which is IMEO, strategy to get policy-relevant data into the right hands for emissions mitigation. The system will be the first publicly available global system to connect methane detection to notification processes transparently. It is planned to be implemented with partners including the International Energy Agency, Climate and Clean Air Coalition. Now let us look at objectives of MARS. To integrate data from existing and future satellites that have the ability to detect methane emission events anywhere in the world. To track the large point emission sources mainly in the fossil fuel industry, but with time it would be able to detect emissions from coal, waste, livestock, etc. Now about methane. Methane is the second most common of the 6 major greenhouse gases. Methane is an 80 times more potent greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. It accounts for about 17% of the current global greenhouse gas emissions. It has caused at least 25 to 30% of temperature rise since the pre-industrial times. Methane released by human activities is responsible for around 25% of anthropogenic climate change. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Methane Alert and Response System, MARS. It was launched at the COP26 in Glasgow in 2021. It was set up as part of the UNEP's International Methane Emissions Observatory. Which of the above given statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. You can send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with us.
Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.